Peace friends, welcome to the channel. This is our tutorial for Wednesday. Today I am going to be making this amigurumi unicorn that I found in Dollar Tree during one of my recent trips. Now, you guys, if you follow me on my other platforms and my other YouTube channel, you guys know I travel a lot. I move around a lot. And so on one of my recent trips, I went from Atlanta to Alabama and I found this crochet kit in the Dollar Tree. And I was like, oh my goodness, they have the full kit in the Dollar Tree for $1.25, right? So I've never seen this before. Now, you guys leave me a comment if you live somewhere where you have a large variety of crochet tools and objects and kits in your Dollar Tree. Let me know where you are, because I was also on the East Coast and I never saw these in any of the Dollar Trees, And I've seen other YouTubers review crochet kits before, like the Woobles one. I think it's Woobles. And those kits are like $30, $40, So let's see what we can do with this, okay? Now, they did have a variety of different kits you could choose from. I will put the clip here in the video so you can see me responding and getting excited when I first saw, the display in the store. But they had different animals. They also had some cross stitch kits as well. They had the crochet kits with the succulent plants that you could make, but I chose to get the unicorn, okay, because it was cute. I like unicorns, okay. So here it tells you in the kit what you're gonna get. You get the plastic needle, the yarn, the stuffing, the crochet hook, and plastic beads. So I'm assuming they're trying to give you everything that you need, right? Okay. So I did already tear the staple away from this. But upon first glance, I did not see the hook. So we'll see, what's in here. Okay, so let's get rid of that. And we're going to dump all this out. Okay, what we got here? So we have the colorful yarn, just a little bit. We have the pack with the needle, and they're calling these beads. I'm assuming they mean the safety eyes, right? Here's the hook, and here's the white yarn that we need, and here's the stuffing and the instructions, okay? So the hook is pretty flimsy. This looks like it might be a size 2. And let's open this up. Okay. All right, this is telling you how to do slip stitch and start the round. Here on this side, you have instructions on how to increase and decrease. Now, when I was a beginner crocheter, these circle diagrams used to frustrate me terribly. And, I guess they're helpful if you know what you're looking at, but they do have the written instructions here as well. However, they are so tiny and they're printed on this dark gray background. I can't even see what they're talking about. So I'm just gonna, act like the advanced crocheter that I am, and we're just gonna figure this out, okay? But if I was a beginner, this would be kind of difficult for me. I'd need a magnifying glass to see this little tiny writing. And here at the bottom, you have how to assemble all the parts once they're done and how to stuff it, okay? Let's get started. And most likely I will have to come back for part 2 so that you guys can see the finished piece. Okay, so here, from what I can see, it's saying that we're going to start with 6 stitches in the round. Here's the end of this. And here we go. We're going to have 6 stitches in the beginning round. Let's see how this goes. Okay. They did not give us a stitch marker, nor did they tell us to use one, but that's okay. Okay, so that's the end of round 1. Round 2, we're going to have increases, so we have 12 stitches. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Now, I'm going to cheat here and use my own stitch marker. I wanted to only use what they gave me in the kit, but I'm going to use my stitch marker because I want to. Okay. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? Okay. Now, I don't like the hook. I don't like plastic hooks anyway. It's too small, it's too flimsy. The yarn feels oily. However, it's not splitting. I will say that, okay? So let's work around. I'm going to cheat now because I don't like this hook. So I'm going to use my own hook here, okay? I know it's cheating. But, okay, so let me flip this over. Next round, we're going to have 18. So this is 1, and then increase in the next.